So we give the needle around the yin tang, 太阳, small intestine 18, stomach 6, 5, alive 20.
After I've received my acupuncture treatments, I've had about 12 now. I feel like it's about 90% improved.
So the treatment for the acupuncture is around the face, hands, and which is also promote the blood circulation and let the facial problems recover.
Hey! But there's a chance where it may not heal, so I wasn't sure if my face will, turn normal again or when it will, and I was really scared.
And as long as this patient got the facial and process, immediately get the acupuncture treatment, and usually with 1 month can recover.
Hey! I'm able to smile normally again. I know when I'm sleeping my eyes are shut all the way. I don't have to wear an eye patch when I go to sleep or take my eye down. And my lips no longer have a numb sensation. My cupid bow on top of my lip is more centered again. I just feel a little bit of numbness on my left cheek at this point, so just very slight, but everything else looks really normal, and my family told me that they can't even tell that I ever had Bell's palsy.
But for Joanne, she has also compound problems. She has diabetes. The blood sugar is very high, and also she complained the lower back problem.
So I worked in retail for over 10 years. In the beginning of my retail career, I've had to wear a lot of heels, and so I stood a lot, and I think because I stood a lot, I'm overweight, it caused a lot of lower back pains for me, a lot of foot problems, and so my lower back pain has been around for a couple years now, and it hurts so much that sometimes I'm already used to the pain, so when people actually press on it, it's a really sharp pain. So after acupuncture, I think it's helped alleviate some of that pain for me, and I want to continue to get treatments for it.